how to fix the speaker not working on your iPhone 8 Plus. Let's go through the most effective solutions step by step. First, check the volume level. Press the volume up button on the left side of your iPhone. Or you can also swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open Control Center. Then drag the volume slider all the way up. Next, check the ring slight switch located above the volume buttons. If you see an orange indicator, your iPhone is in silent mode. Flip the switch toward the screen to turn silent mode off. Now, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button until the slide to power off slider appears. Drag the slider, wait about 30 seconds, then press and hold the side button again to turn your iPhone back on. If the speaker still isn't working, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Again, scroll down and tap Audio Visual from Hearing section. Make sure the balance slider is centered and mono audio is turned off. After that, check whether your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device. Go to Settings. Then tap Bluetooth and temporarily turn Bluetooth off, or disconnect any connected headphones or speakers.
If the issue continues, go back to Settings. Tap General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings. This won't delete your photos or apps, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords, sound settings, and network preferences, which can often resolve software-related audio issues. Finally, if there's still no sound from the speaker, inspect the speaker grill for dust or debris and gently clean it with a soft, dry brush. If the problem started after a drop or water exposure, it may be a hardware issue, and you should contact Apple support or visit an authorized repair center. That's it. These are the best ways to fix an iPhone 8 Plus speaker not working problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone 8 Plus tutorials.